Hello students, the class for today is about going to. And now listen and repeat.
Hi, we are going to have a Halloween party.
Andrea and Beth are going to have a Halloween party.
That's great news. Where is the party going to be?
It's going to be in St. Matthew's School. We're going to have a fun all night.
Okay, students, in this case we use going to. We use here. And now you repeat. Listen and repeat. Practice at home, okay? Wait.
Hi, we are going to have a Halloween party.
Andrea and Beth are going to have a Halloween party.
That's great news. Where is the party going to be?
It's going to be in St. Matthew's School. We're going to have a fun all night.
And now we have the grammar, okay? Go to future. Use plan actions in the future. Example, we are going to sing at the party. You are certain that it's going to happen in the future. Example, look at this car. It's going to crash into yellow one. Okay, what is the structure? This is the structure. Remember, to be, are, is, plus going to, plus infinitive. Okay? Would you like? In question, it used to make an invitation or an offer sometime to someone. Would you like some coffee? Look, here is an offer. The answer is yes, I would. Would you like to go out with me tonight? In this case, is an invitation. Example, the answer, I would love to go out with you. In affirmative, you can use would like to express a desire. For example, I would like to go to USA one day. It's a desire. Okay? Would like is similar want. To express desire or to make an invitation, we can use the verb to want to. Would like is more formal. Would like is more formal than want. I would like some pizza. I want some pizza. Would you like to go dancing? Do you want to go dancing? Does Mary want more water? Would Mary like more water? Okay? In this case, would you like is polite. Continue. Okay, students, in this part, you need to rewrite a sentence. For example, number 1. He that is going to weekend at a beach spend. What is the order? Okay, now the order is this. This is the correct, okay? He's going to spend the weekend at the beach. Remember, first personal pronoun, verb to be, going to, verb infinitive, and complement. Okay, now continue. Number 2. My grandma is going to knit socks for my grandpa. Number 3. They are going to dance at the party all night. And number 4. I'm going to listen to music all afternoon. Very good. Now you need to write in your notebook or in your book. Okay, continue. Okay, students, now continue. Number 2. Order the word in brackets and write what these people are or aren't going to do according to the information in brackets. Okay, now put an order. This sentence. What happened here? Number 1. The correct is our mother isn't going to take us the mall this afternoon. Okay, remember in the negative form we use the contraction, okay? Verb to be plus not. In this case is isn't. Our mother isn't going to take us to the mall this afternoon. Okay? Next, we have number 2. I'm going to visit the museum next Monday. Number 3. We are going to chat on the net for half an hour. Okay? Number 4. Mike is going to play the piano on Friday morning. Remember, when you see not, it's negative. Okay? It's the same here, not. Number 5. They aren't going to listen to radio. Remember, aren't is are plus not. It's a contraction. In this case is negative. Okay? This is positive. Okay, repeat after me. Our mother isn't going to take us to the mall this afternoon. I'm going to visit the museum next Monday. We are going to chat on the net for half an hour. Mike is going to play the piano on Friday morning. They aren't going to listen to radio. Very good. Okay, now this is your practice. What's going to happen? Match the picture with expression. Then from sentence we're going to. Example, he's going to be late. Ok, muy bien chicos, en esta parte ustedes van a observar las imágenes y de acuerdo a ello van a escribir una oración. Ok, for example, be late. Number 1, he's going to be late. Ok, and number 2, what are they going to do? Match a sentence from the 2 columns, then write new sentence using going to. For example, number 1, Mr. Smith is very hot. Okay, so we make a sentence using this. He is going to swim at the pool. Okay, swim at the pool. It's the correct. You continue number 2 and number 11. Okay, students, thank you for your participation. Goodbye.